What's going on, guys? Elite80 back again, and it's Halloween. A lot's going on. It's pretty crazy. I'm about to take the moped for a cruise and get some cool shots, hopefully. And recently, one of the bolts that holds the exhaust on up underneath this cover, it's stripped out, and so I haven't had it in there, and now the pipe is loose, and I think it's completely disconnected from this muffler, so I think I'm just going to take this muffler off because it's rattling, but it's really loud now, and hopefully it's not a huge issue, but I mean, I personally kind of like the straight pipe sound, but I do have to spray starting fluid into the intake to get it to start now. So I think we might have to maybe upjet it or find a new exhaust. I need to probably make it a little bit quieter, but that's a project for the winter. Today might be one of the last few days that it's nice and good for riding, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so guys, it was directly where it goes into the exhaust. So this is an accidental straight pipe, but I am personally okay with that. Hopefully it's not too loud to where it's gonna upset everybody, but we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't spit flames and burn up my tire. I might have to do some sort of redirection there. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna see if we can get this bad boy started, and then we're gonna take off. A little bit of starting fluid in the intake there for you. Get that in our backpack. A little throttle. Blistering loud. Oh my goodness. Here we go, guys. loudest noise I've ever made. Oh my goodness. I am just having the time of my life, guys. This is beautiful. As for how loud it is definitely way too loud. We need to get some sort of muffler on there. I will definitely get in trouble. But I am curious as to whether or not it is shooting flames. So we're out here in the middle of the nowhere, and I think we can test that theory out. Set up the tripod. a blast. Get you a nice view of that straight pipe. Oh my gosh. It's ridiculous. No flames, but I do love how it sounds.